In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily deposit money to the platform Coinbase. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Coinbase, simply go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here, and as you can see, you can get up to $50 in bonuses depending on how much you've traded in the first 14 days. You can reach those different bonuses in here. So if you trade at least for $100, you will get $5, and for at least $5,000, $20, and for at least $10,000, you get a $50 bonus. To create your account and be eligible for the bonuses, simply click right here on sign up. Then you will get to this page right here where you can enter your email address, click on continue and set a password, or simply use your Google or Apple account. Once we have created our account and went through the verification process, we can now fully use the platform. And I'm going to show you how you can easily deposit money. So first you can deposit fiat by simply going up here to deposit and then click on deposit cash. Then right here choose your fiat currency, so US dollar. In my case, I'm going to choose euro right here. And then you will get all the important information that you need for the bank transfer, such as the recipient name and the bank account number, or it's also called IBAN in Europe. You can simply copy them right here and then initiate the bank transfer. If your bank supports a SEPA instant transfer, it also arrives within just a few minutes. If you go back here to your portfolio, you can also check if any of your funds have arrived. In my case, you can see I have my euro balance in here. So next up, I'm going to show you how you can easily deposit with crypto, and you can do that by simply going up here to deposit and then click on deposit crypto. Then right here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example, Bitcoin in here. Then you also need to choose a network. Some cryptocurrencies can be sent over different networks. Just make sure to use the same network as from the place where you're sending the money from. So in my case, I'm simply going to choose the normal Bitcoin network in here. And then I can see my personal deposit address in here as a QR code, or down here where I can also easily just copy the address. Then I simply need to paste that address into my own wallet or other exchange where I'm sending the money from. And once I've executed the transfer, it should arrive within a few minutes. Don't forget to pick up your $50 bonus by creating an account with the first link from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.